Did you know affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online? And for good reason. It offers the potential for passive income, which can be incredibly appealing. By promoting other people's products or services, you can earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique referral link. The idea is simple. Find a product you love, share it with others, and get paid for it. How cool is that? But let's face it, affiliate marketing isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is getting people to click on your link in the first place. With so many affiliates promoting the same product, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. And even if you do manage to get some clicks, converting those clicks into actual sales is a whole different story. You need a solid understanding of your audience, a compelling pitch, a product that truly resonates with them. Low conversion rates are a common pain point for affiliate marketers. You might be driving a lot of traffic to your site, but that traffic isn't converting into sales. You won't make much money. And then there's the competition. It's easy to feel like you're just one of the many affiliates shouting into the void, trying to get noticed. You need to find a way to cut through the noise and truly connect with your audience. And another challenge is the ever-changing landscape of affiliate marketing. What worked last year might not work this year, and you've got to stay on top of the trends and best practices. If you want to stay ahead of the game, it can be overwhelming, especially if you're starting. However, don't worry, I have some good news for you. You ready? And by the way, this isn't no hidden secret about want to share with you, has helped countless affiliates overcome these challenges and boost their income. It's a technique that top earners in the industry have used, and it's surprisingly simple. By leveraging the power of storytelling, you can connect with your audience on a deeper level and drive more sales. And here's how it works. Instead of just listing off a feature and benefits of a product, you tell a story about how it helped you or someone else. This makes the product more relatable and more memorable, helping you to build trust with your audience. For example, let's say, I don't know, you're promoting a fitness program, right? Instead of just saying this program, great for weight loss, you can share a story about how it helped you lose 20 pounds and feel more confident. The results can be incredible. One affiliate I know used this technique to increase the sales by 50%. Another saw a 200 boost in conversions. The best part is that it's not limited to just one niche or industry. This technique can be applied to any affiliate marketing niche, from fashion to finance. Here, it's that people buy from people, not from sales pitches. By sharing your own experiences and stories, you can build a connection with your audience and drive more sales. It's not about being a hard sell. It's about being authentic and genuine. So, the hidden secret to boosting your affiliate earnings is to use storytelling to connect with your audience. By sharing your own experience and stories, you can build trust and drive more sales. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can make a significant impact on your affiliate marketing efforts. So, you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below on the bottom. I love to hear about your experiences with affiliate marketing, and if you've got any tips to share, don't forget to do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, or check out my other videos on affiliate marketing for even more insights. As always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.